And I looked at it, I said, oh my gosh, they've actually applied it to Class 1 medical devices. Now here's what you need to know. A Class 1 medical device is 1, 2, and 3, okay, in FDA. And basically Class 1 is for FDA anything that's so basic that they really don't have to worry about regulating the safety of it too much, like latex gloves, tongue depressors, stuff like that.
They have
and
so that's tax too?
It gets better than that.
Oh,
it gets better than that. I haven't. Maybe I'll let the cat out of the bag. Okay?
Please.
Because I've been saving this one up. Okay. Do you know that the amalgam used to create a filling for your teeth is a medical device? So they will literally be taxing the fillings in your teeth. Now I've blown it. I've blown it on live radio. I was going to make that the title of a paper. You may still see it, but for you folks in North Carolina, you got a month early preview on it.
Our guest Ed Hesselmeyer of the Heritage Foundation. That's the reason we enjoy having the folks from the Heritage Foundation with us here on the program. Ed, that is too special.